In May 1998, Indonesia was feeling the brunt of the economic crisis sweeping East Asia. As rising unemployment and inflation created widespread hardship, disaffection rose at the Indonesian government's ineffectual policies and rampant corruption. In April 1998, shortly after the re-election of Suharto, a former army general and ruler of Indonesia for 32 years, students from major universities throughout the archipelago organized massive rallies calling for fresh elections and effective measures to combat the crisis. This was only the latest incidence of Indonesia's student rising to voice the aspirations of the people and being beaten down for their trouble.
Sampai 93, 94 sampai 96 dipukul ya. Nah, ini terus berlanjut sampai terjadi kalau pernah juga ikutin buka-buka dokumen di Indonesia sampai terjadi 27 Juli 1996. Iya. 27 Juli 1996 itu pemukulan terhadap hampir merata semua basis perlawanan rakyat di Indonesia. Sebetulnya ini motornya mahasiswa juga, tapi bentuknya adalah LSM, ya kelompok-kelompok studi yang kemudian membangun bahasa segala macam, yang bahkan dibubarin semua LSM ini, perlawanan ini, akhirnya kita balik ke kampus. Niat kami baik mau menyampaikan aspirasi.
Initial demonstrations were held only on campus, obeying a military injunction to stay off the streets. But the students chafed at being confined and pressed to hold rallies at the Parliament building, where they could present their demands directly to the government. At Trisakti University, a kilometer from the Parliament, students finally surged into the street and into a hail of gunfire. The Trisakti tragedy triggered a wave of rioting, killing hundreds during the next 2 days. A week after the tragedy, students entered and occupied parliament, facing only token resistance from the military.
Oleh karena itu, dengan memperhatikan ketentuan pasal 8.
In the presidential palace, Suharto floundered, losing control of events. After failing to gain the support of religious and community leaders and the mass resignation of his cabinet, Suharto resigned in favor of his vice president and longtime protege, B.J. Habibie.
Saya memutuskan untuk menyatakan berhenti.
Maka untuk menghindari kekosongan pimpinan dalam menyelenggarakan pemerintahan negara, kiranya Saudara Wakil Presiden secara juga akan melaksanakan pengucapan sumpah jabatan Presiden yang dapat Mahkamah Agung Republik.
Demi Allah, saya bersumpah akan memenuhi kewajiban Presiden Republik Indonesia dengan sebaik-baiknya.
At first, the students exulted at the downfall of Suharto, disapproving the myth that the old general was indispensable to the nation's stability.
Forum Kota sejak pertama Suharto turun dan digantikan oleh Habibie, kami sudah menolak Habibie karena kami sudah tidak percaya dengan hasil pemilu sebut. Kami sudah tahu seperti apa Habibie, track recordnya bagaimana. Kami sudah tahu dia juga sama-sama raja KKN.
With loyal Suhartoists still in power and the former president protected by the army, the students saw reformation slipping away.
Internasional bahwa kami meminta agar supaya Habibie turun sekarang juga.
Kami ingin menyadarkan pemerintah saat ini masih tidak beres. Bahwa banyak yang sudah masih berharap dalam pemerintahan Habibie, sedangkan kami Forum Kota sudah menolak hasil pemilu 97. Kami sudah menganggap hasil pemilu 97 cacat moral, cacat hukum, dan cacat politik.
Under a policy called dual function, the army maintained internal security as well as external defense. Though the stated purpose of dual function was to maintain order in a nation rent by inter-ethnic violence and social unrest, dual function became, in effect, a mandate to shoot Indonesians as well as foreign enemies.
negeri ini dikuasai oleh fasis militer yang sewenang-wenang menginjak-injak hak rakyat, menginjak-injak kita semua. ABRI tidak ubahnya seperti Nazi, tidak ubahnya seperti fasis di Itali.
Angkatan Bersenjata Republik Indonesia tidak berguna.
Bubarkan saja, migrasi mewah, sama-sama Indra. Lebih baik jika kita musah. Bersatu sehati, cabut dui fungsi ABRI. Bersatu sehati, cabut dui fungsi ABRI. Bersatu sehati, cabut dui fungsi ABRI.
As the rallies became more frequent, drawing students from every institute of higher learning onto the streets in boisterous gatherings, the military overreacted, fielding thousands of fully armed troops to confront peaceful demonstrators. In the military's eyes, the sons and daughters of the Indonesian middle class were an implacable enemy of the nation.
Kami hanya mempertawakan jika mereka mengisukan kami, memfitnah kami sebagai komunis, sedangkan kami mahasiswa yang lahir bukan pada zaman komunis, kami pun tidak tahu seperti apa komunis gitu. Jika mereka meneriakan kami komunis, itu hanya ingin memperlambat kerja-kerja kami.
Tensions grew as both sides prepared for the upcoming special session of Parliament, called to prepare for new elections. The students rejected the session as the delegates were all Suharto appointees and pressed for a people's session with true representation.
Jiwa kami sia-sia pengorbanan kami ditembakin, dibunuh semuanya.
Kami tetap konsisten terhadap isu yang akan datang, yaitu turunkan harga dan terbentuknya kekuasaan transisi, yaitu Komite Rakyat Indonesia. Kekuasaan transisi ini akan duduk orang-orang yang memiliki integritas tinggi bagi masyarakat, kredibel bagi masyarakat, yang akan duduk bersama-sama untuk membicarakan masyarakat. Kami tahu rekodnya mereka sebelumnya. Kita dudukan bersama-sama, kita tinggalkan kepentingan masing-masing golongan, kita pikirkan kembali kepentingan rakyat bersama.
The government went ahead with the special session in the face of widespread protest. As demands by students and other community groups to include true reformist measures on the agenda were ignored, the students became more aggressive.
Yang disampaikan oleh Sekretariat Jenderal Majelis, sampai saat ini telah hadir 981 anggota majelis yang terdiri dari unsur semua fraksi dan telah menandatangani daftar hadirin. Kami buka dan dinyatakan terbuka untuk umum.
The students hit the streets during each day of the special session. As the final day of the session approached and the students attempted to penetrate military lines set up 2 kilometers from the parliament, beatings became more frequent and savage. On the eve of the final session, shots rang out at the Semanggi Cloverleaf.
Saya ulangi, Anda yang bukan pers, Anda masyarakat, dan lain-lain segera tinggalkan tempat ini.
Untuk itu kalau Bapak pun juga masih punya peri kemanusiaan, sekali lagi dengan tegas saya mohon dengan Bapak dengan sangat demi kawan-kawan kami, jangan sampai terjadi jatuh korban lagi. Tolong Pak, dan pasukan Bapak dan kawan-kawan tidak akan terpancing dengan emosional.
In a bloodier repeat of the Trisakti tragedy 6 months before, the military fired blanks, rubber, and live rounds into the crowd of demonstrators. As night fell, gunfire became more intense and the death toll rose. The security forces entered the fray to the accompaniment of fighting anthems and fervent cheers. To them, the Semanggi killings were a proud blow for their beloved nation. It seems like each fallen student gave rise to a regimental hero. Both students and military sang the same patriotic songs with the same heartfelt fervor. After the special session, the students went back to the streets, demanding a more truly representative people's session.
Yang mau sidang rakyat, ayo duduk. Yang mau sidang rakyat, ayo duduk. Yang mau sidang rakyat, tepuk tangan. Yang mau sidang rakyat, tepuk tangan.
Ada upaya untuk tetap bersatu, tapi ya mungkin perjalanannya belum mulus ke sana.
Ini sudah selesai. Kita tunjukkan bahwa kita tidak pernah mundur dan tidak akan pernah mundur. Maka perlahan pasti sebagaimana kesepakatan semua elemen yang ikut aksi pada hari ini bahwa jam 5 tepat kita akan mundur dan kita akan kembali ke UP.
One decree of the special session was to investigate the wealth of Suharto's family and his cronies and bring them to court. But after months in power, Habibie's government has shown little enthusiasm for investigating the former president. Again, the students pressed their demands for truth, openness, and justice.
masih memilih mengakui sidang istimewa yang baru lalu kemarin itu sebagai langkah perubahan. Sementara kita di Forum Kota tidak melihat itu lagi sebagai langkah perubahan yang konsisten, sebagai langkah perubahan yang jujur dalam dunia demokrasi. Tapi kalau mereka sendiri masih melihat itu.
Kalian itu digaji bukan untuk kentut, tetapi menyuarakan hati suara rakyat. Maka kalau rakyat menuntut untuk adili Soeharto, maka di dalam tab itu harus termaktub tertulis bahwa rakyat Indonesia harus mengadili Soeharto.
To make positive identification difficult during clashes, troops exchanged their distinctive, brightly colored regimental berets for camouflage slouch hats. Even so, the students still recognized the Marines, who were not implicated in any actions against students because they contrived to show their pink berets. Female students took deep offense at a call from the Minister of Women's Affairs for female students not to join demonstrations. In an all-female gathering to protest the minister's statement and other issues, the Women Police Corps showed they were the equal of their male colleagues in crushing demonstrations.
Saya perintahkan untuk segera meninggalkan tempat ini dengan tertib.
kita udah mau balik, tapi itu nggak ada 5 detik dia udah langsung full, nggak kasih peringatan apa-apa. Jadi kan gini ya, kita udah masuk semua, udah masuk ke dalam. Nah terus setelah pas ini dia ngasih waktu 5 menit, kita udah balik kanan semua, udah balik semua ke arah gerbang. Nggak tahu itu dipukulin yang bagian depan, anak-anak yang depan lari langsung ke depan, langsung keluar. Kan tadi TV ditutup, langsung digebrak sama anak-anak, buka gitu. Ini aparat kurang ajar.
After Semanggi, battle lines were drawn. The mistreatment of female demonstrators and the gratuitous beating of activist representatives seeking reconciliation with the military convinced student leaders that to win, they would have to fight. In the weeks prior to the Islamic holy month of Ramadan, students went into the streets not calling for peaceful reformation, but with the battle cry of revolution. They now sought confrontation, revenge for the mistreatment of their friends and colleagues. Though some student leaders tried to prevent incidents from escalating into bloodbaths, the demonstrators were now beyond effective control. At Taman Ria, protesters breached police lines and forced the once invincible security forces into retreat. The security forces were astounded. It was clear the students were no longer afraid.